So hey guys, welcome back to the video, and in this video we will see the MCQs of software project management. It's your unit number 5. Very interesting and very easy unit if you know some of the concept, and also if you don't know, just focus on the video. We will learn something and you will definitely score better. Question number first is, what is the primary goal of software project management? So the primary goal of software project management is to meet customer requirement within budget and time constraint. Option B is correct. Okay. Next one. Which of the following is a key activity in project planning? So writing code, defining project, testing software and debugging software. All these three are not a key activity. Defining project objectives is the key activity in the project planning. Next question. What does PERT stand for in the project scheduling? So is it project evaluation and review technique, program evaluation and review technique? Now most of you will confuse in option number A and option number B, but the correct option is option number A. PERT stand for project evaluation and review technique. Option A is correct. Next question is, what is the Gantt chart primarily used for in project management? Is it for estimating project cost, scheduling project tasks, writing project documentation, or testing project deliverables? Correct option is option number B. Scheduling project task is the primarily primarily used. So Gantt chart is primarily used for scheduling project task. Option B is correct here. Next question is, which of the following is not a component of software configuration management? Is it version control, change control, code refactoring, or configuration audits? Correct option is option number C. Code refactoring is not a component of software configuration management. Next one. Which method is used for estimating project cost based on the work breakdown structure? Is it top-down estimation, parametric estimation, analogous estimation, or bottom-up estimation? Correct option is option number D. Very confusing, still important question. Bottom-up estimation is used for estimating project cost based on the work breakdown structure. Next question. What is the critical path in the project scheduling? What is the critical path in the project scheduling? The shortest path through the project network, or the path with the most resource, or the longest path throughout the project network? Correct option is option number C. The longest path through the project network is the critical path in the project scheduling. Next question. Which of the following is a benefit of using PERT chart? So PERT chart provides a visual representation of task dependencies. Option B is correct here. Next question is, गाइज नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में बढ़ने से पहले मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, एकदम सारे ग्रुप में आग लगा दो, भेज दो इस वीडियो को सारे ग्रुप में. पक्के क्वेश्चन आएंगे. आई कैन गारंटी दैट क्वेश्चंस, डेफिनेटली क्वेश्चंस विल बी कम फ्रॉम दिस वीडियोस, बिकॉज आई हैव कवर ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द टॉपिक्स. इनफैक्ट ऑलमोस्ट नहीं, सारे टॉपिक मैंने कवर कर रखे हैं वीडियोस में, एंड सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस हमने बना रखे हैं. सो क्वेश्चंस आने ही आने, यहाँ से सारे वीडियो में, सारे ग्रुप्स में वीडियो फैला दो. Ninth question is, what does software configuration management help to ensure? Is it consistent performance of software, proper coding standard, control over changes to software artifacts, or effective software documentation? Correct option is option number C. Control over changes to software artifacts. Next question is, in project management, what is a milestone? A minor task, a significant event or achievement, a resource allocation, or a test case. So in project management, milestone can be the significant event or achievement. It cannot be minor task, resource allocation, or test case. So option B will be correct here. Next question is, what is the main objective of cost estimation in software project? To reduce coding errors, to predict the financial resource needed, to schedule project tasks, or to manage project risk? Correct option is option number B. To predict the financial resource needed is the correct option. Next question is, which tool can be used for version control in software configuration management? Very simple question. Git can be used for the version control in the software configuration management. Option C is correct here. Next question is, what is the common technique for project scheduling? So common technique for project scheduling is critical path method. Okay, option D is correct. Next question, which phase of project management involves monitoring and controlling project activities? Correct option is option number C. Execution involves monitoring and controlling project activities. Moving to the next one, what is the main use of Gantt chart in project management? To identify potential project risk, to outline project milestone, to track project schedules and progress, or to estimate project cost. Correct option is option number C. To track project schedule and progress is the main use of Gantt chart in project management. Next question is, what does the term baseline refers to in the project management? So baseline refers to the fixed reference point for measuring project progress. Option B is correct. Next question, what is the primary purpose of initial phase in project management? So the primary purpose of initial phase in project management is to define the project and secure authorization. Option C is correct here. Next question is, in cost estimation, what does parametric estimation involves? So in cost estimation, parametric estimation involves using mathematical models to predict cost. Option B is correct. Next question is, what is the key feature of software configuration management? User acceptance testing, continuous integration, code reviews, or change control? Option D is correct. Change control is the key feature of software configuration management. Option D is correct. Next one, which project management methodology focused on iterative development? Is it waterfall, agile, V model, or spiral? So, if we talk about the iterative development, correct option is option number B, agile. Next one, which document outlines the detailed work required to complete a project? Is it project charter, work breakdown structure, Gantt chart, or project scope statement? Correct option is option B, work breakdown structure. Full form of WBS can also be asked in your exam, so keep remember this. Next question is, in PERT chart, what does the critical path represent? So in PERT chart, critical path represent the sequence of tasks that determines the project duration. Option B is correct. Next question, what is the purpose of project charter? So very simple, the purpose of project charter is to authorize the project and define its objective. Option B is correct. Next one, which of the following is a characteristics of effective project control? So is it rigid adherence to the initial plan, or regular monitoring and adjusting a plan as needed? Option B is the correct. The characteristics of effective project control is a regular monitoring and adjusting of plans as needed. Option B is correct. Moving to the next one, what is the main benefit of using Gantt chart in project management? So I think these questions we also discussed earlier. Option B will be the correct. So visualizing project timelines and dependencies is the benefit of using Gantt chart in the project management. Next question is, which process involves ensuring that the project's output meet the required standards? Option A will be correct. Quality assurance involves ensuring that the project's output meet the required standards. Next question is, what is the purpose of risk management in project management? So the purpose of risk management is to identify and mitigate potential project issues. Option B is correct. Next question is, which cost estimation technique uses historical data to predict project cost? Is it bottom-up estimation, analogous estimation, parametric estimation, or top-down estimation? Correct option is option number B. If we uses historical data to predict project cost, We use analogous estimation technique. Option B is correct. Next question is, what is the purpose of a change control board in a software configuration management? Now again the full form of CCV can also be asked. Change control board is the full form of CCV, and the correct option is option number A. The purpose of CCV in software configuration management is to approve all project changes. Option A is correct. Next question is, which project management document outlines the project objective, scope and deliverables? Option A is correct, project charter. Same question we discussed earlier, and now in the different form. The question, so I tried to cover the questions that can be asked in the different format also. That's why I'm saying the question, definitely questions will be asked from the video. Next question is, what does a work breakdown structure represent? So work breakdown structure represent the project task and deliverables. Option C is correct. Next question is, which project scheduling technique allows for the calculation of project duration and critical path? Correct option is option number B. PERT chart is used for that. Next one, what is the purpose of version control in software configuration management? Correct option is option number B. To manage change to source code and documents. So the version control like Git we use in the software configuration management. To change the or to manage the changes to source code and documents, we use version control like Git. Next question, what does the critical path method CPM determine in project management? Again the full form of CPM can be asked. Critical path method is the full form of CPM, and it is used to determine project schedule and duration. Correct option is option C. Next one, which project management methodology emphasize adaptive planning, evolutionary development and continuous improvement? Correct option is option number C. Agile methodology is used for that. Next question, what is the purpose of project scope statement? So the purpose of project scope statement is to define the project objective, deliverables and boundaries. Option B is correct here. Next question is, which project management tool is used to allocate resource and track project progress? Correct option is option number A. Gantt chart is used for that. And the 38th question is, what does the term baseline refer to in a project management? So the baseline refer to a fixed reference point for measuring project progress. Okay. Next one, second last question, which software configuration management activity involves identifying, controlling and tracking changes to project artifacts? Correct option is option number B. Change control. And the last question is, what is the primary purpose of project closure? So the primary purpose of project closure is to transfer project deliverables to a stakeholder. So this was all about the unit number 5. We will see the questions of unit number 6 in the next video, and then PYQs or the simple question paper of this course code. I will upload the video for that. Make sure to subscribe the channel and share this video in the every group. Thank you so much. Bye bye.